Well, welcome everyone. Good morning. Thank you for being here today nice and early. How's everyone feeling? Today we are going to be sharing with you some really important information that's going to help you on your journey to making your business to 6 figures. You might be here for a variety of key reasons. If any of those sound like you, then you are in the right place today. We're going to share with you some information that's going to help you on the journey.
So we're going to teach you some things today that are going to help you in your business. Now this is the 101. So this is just the very basics, the very start. So we hope today that you do learn something, but we hope that you have some of these things covered. Protecting your domains. And give me a hand up, we've got 3 of the 3. What I don't want for you guys is for your brand to be hijacked. Now trademark, who's trademarked their business? Okay, you are your brand. Okay, as you start to elevate, people buy from people they know, like and trust, right? How long does a trademark last? Anybody know? But it gives you a protection. Now this protection does anybody know how much a trademark protects you for any infringements? You want to, of course, protect your brand that you're building. You're working so hard to build the brand, right?
Unfortunately, when I finished The Apprentice, someone tried to trademark my name, okay? So they trademarked Bianca Miller and tried to stop me from using my own name. And that is an illustration of how important it is to make sure you have your trademarks in place. But one thing that I think as entrepreneurs we don't often realize is the power of our personal brand. Now, for most entrepreneurs, you focus on the business brand. What does the logo look like? What does the brand say? What does the website look like? But you haven't considered the impact of your personal story. Now, Byron, I know you asked me earlier to talk about my elevator pitch, right? An elevator pitch basically is the idea that you can introduce yourself in a succinct manner within 30 seconds. This is about how you communicate that brand so you can start earning more money. Your business should have multiple vehicles of income coming into it. Today, this is the tip of the iceberg. We shared with you 25 minutes of great information to help you on the journey, okay? We believe in you getting the answers you need to help you along your journey to success. And everyone's idea of success is different, but let's make sure you are successful as you can be.
Thank you guys.
Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you.